the iconic Great Otway National Park in Victoria, Australia. High in the eucalyptus trees lives a herbivore that eats eucalyptic leaves. It's only found here in Victoria, eastern and southeastern parts of Australia. It's known as the Australian koala. Here is a koala that is foraging amongst the eucalyptus leaves, using their sense of smell to find the most nutritious leaves. Koalas have developed curved, sharp claws and opposable digits. This has led them to be able to climb trees and grasp onto branches on eucalyptus trees, whilst foraging with its hands amongst the leaves. The only time that they are on the ground is when they're trying to find another tree with a more generous food supply. It has become the only mammal that can survive on the leaves of eucalyptus trees alone. This is as the leaves provide low energy and nutrient output, so the koala has had to evolve several physiological and behavioural traits in order to successfully use the tree as a source of food. In order to make most of the food source, koalas only eat 10%. That's only 60 of the 600 different species of eucalyptus trees, with an even stronger preference of only 5%. That's 30 trees. This is so they can get the most nutrients from the trees. The behaviour and lifestyle of the koala has also been adapted to their diet. Because of the lack of nutrients the leaves of the eucalyptus tree provide, the koalas follow a low energy diet and can spend up to 21 hours a day resting. Their brain has evolved to become much smaller to conserve energy for the animal, and this causes the species to have no complex communication and live in solitude, not doing much other than eating and sleeping. Koala's digestive system is especially adapted to detoxify the poisonous chemicals in the leaves. The toxins are thought to be produced by the gum trees as a protection against leaf-eating animals like insects. Trees which grow on less fertile soils seem to have more toxins than those growing on good soils. This is also why koalas will only eat certain types of eucalyptus, and why they will sometimes avoid them when they are growing on certain soils. Koalas have evolved the ability to flush toxins out quickly, so they can eat around 500 to 800 grams of leaves without getting sick. The koala has a large cecum, which allows it to digest such a poisonous food. They also rely on the moisture in the eucalyptus leaves for most of their hydration needs. Koalas have sharp teeth at the front of the mouth and cheek teeth which allow for it to take leaves and cut and grind the leaves down, which lead it to better digestion. Koalas have evolved very specifically to match its niche diet of eucalyptus tree leaves. The animal does not have many other ecological interactions. The koala has few natural predators as it spends most of its life up in the high branches of the eucalyptus trees, and also does not perform any other role in the Australian ecosystem. By fitting into a very specialised role through repeated evolution, the koala has eliminated its ecological role in the Australian environment. Narrated by Nina Katowski.